Hello, my name is Solveig. Thinking about the film Boy 2010. Is a New Zealand comet film where the film about an 11 years old boy named Boy living in the poor community on the east coast of New Zealand. Boy, she had a father, she named Almanet. What has been about for many years after going to the prison. This is a film about the boy. She have a father is not okay with him. Father is not a hero. He had hope for this. This film can be humor and drama. She is good, and this boy, she have a hope to have a father. She love him, and it's not good for him. His father is very crazy. She boy is with their grandma and many kids with him. Very poor, bad house, bad always, not good. She is not have a TV. Father is him take a TV with us with she. This film is she is beautiful in many ways, and I'm not good to English, and I hope you understand this. And Alman, his father is have two guys with his to home, very drunk or crazy friends with him.